Today I'm going to make another rope bowl. I'm having so much fun finding different napkins. You could do any kind of a theme with these bowls. Whatever party you're having, just find that napkin. And I just wanted to show you how I did it with a napkin and with fabric. This is the rope that I buy. I get this from Amazon. They have been out of it, so hopefully you can find it. I wanted to show the settings that I am using. It goes together really easy. If you have not sewed rope together, you really should try it. Once you start, you won't want to quit. It is so much fun. It is beautiful in Michigan right now, and at the end of this video I have a bunch of flowers outside that I wanted to show you, but I didn't want to bore you if you just want to see the rope bowl. So at the end of this video you will see that. I'm trying to slow my videos down and not go so fast, so if you are bored, just fast forward. This sewing machine sews so easily through this rope. I've been so happy with the Singer Heavy Duty. This is the 4423, I believe. I will leave a link below. Once you get it so big, it just kind of does it. It's really fun. I found this napkin pattern at the Dollar Tree. I like to walk around the Dollar Tree at least once a month, just to see the new stuff they have. The fun thing about these, you can make any size, whatever size you need. You can do placemats. It's just so many things. If you want the sides to be straighter going up, you would push it up closer. I like it to come out a wider bowl. I have these baskets all over my house. They're so useful. I am cutting this fabric at 1 1/4 inch. I found that's a pretty good width. I was doing it at 1 1/2, and that was just a little bulky. I like to use just a dab of glue. It just seems to kind of set it, and my sewing machine has no problem with it. There's a lot of different ways to end a bowl. I probably should get a little bit more creative. I seem to always kind of do the same thing with all of them. Then I like to use some Scotch tape when I cut the rope. It stops it from fraying, and I cut most of the tape away. So you don't even see the rope or the tape. Then I just sew it down. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of these. There's so many. You want to pull that paper away, make it as thin as possible. That way it just kind of melts into the rope when you put the stuff on there. The Mod Podge. I couldn't think of the name. I thought about cutting out some of the flamingos and putting them on the sides. Thought that would kind of decorate the bowl. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that, so I may someday do that, but not so far. I used to take time and just kind of paint it on slowly, and that's really time consuming. So if you want to do it fast, I just pour some into the middle. Pour it on. The Mod Podge actually makes the bowl stiffer, which is really great. If you're having any trouble with it being too soft, it's a great way to make it stiff. I could make these bowls all day long. It's just so much fun. They dry pretty quick. I would say, 3 or 4 hours, and it's pretty dry. It really can dress up a room if you are having a party and you just need a bowl, basket. It would make a great gift for someone, whatever hobby they are in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe.